Well, hello and welcome to yet another gorgeous day in cottage country. You've got Colin and Justin here, international TV designers and property developers, and major fans of our favourite lumberjanis, Western Red Cedar, a product in fact that we've used on and off screen for years. Now today finds us right back in one of our own places, our cabin by the lake, and we're about to start another project.
You know, as renovators, we're always looking to increase the value of the properties we're working on. We're looking to create an experience for our end users, and we're obsessed with transforming dead space into valuable life space, which is why we're going to transform this area here today into a stunning outdoor dining room where the crowning glory will be a beautiful pergola constructed from Western Red Cedar. So stick around. Sean and Nicole from Discovery Dream Homes, you know what, we love working with you guys. You know, you're such great people, you make great houses, but actually I think we love your technology more than even we love you guys. Because this is incredible, you know, to actually have a 3D rendering of the pergola and see it right here on site is amazing.
Sean, really this whole thing is so exciting to watch. Can we have a little look as you wander through in the 3D? Tell us a bit about what we're seeing, Sean.
Yeah, so we're able to see what the end result is going to be on the computer screen before we actually get into construction. And you know, a lot of people do struggle with visualizing in 3D, so there's just no question about how this is going to look in the end.
I mean, it looks absolutely perfect in there, you know, and it's delivering everything that we're looking for. You know, we're looking to add something that's architectural. We're looking to add some more of our lovely Western Red Cedar, so we get that really escapist, fabulous forest feel. You know, and it's really important for us to use natural elements, because look where we are. You know, and if we brought loads of plastic, lots of man-made materials into this environment, it would just be wrong. So we want to keep it natural.
It's a brilliant process. Well, I guess having seen it in 3D realisation, it's time to take that plan from there and watch this fella come alive over there. So checking in almost halfway through our outdoor pergola dining room build, and I gotta tell you, that mix of horizontal and vertical posts is creating just the most beautiful and potentially usable space.
It smells incredible. Honestly, you are transported to the center of a forest. It feels escapist, it feels luxurious, and it looks amazing. You know, we're dressing this as a dining area. A piece like this, you know, it gives us so much structure, height, punctuation, you know, and we are dressing this dead space as an outdoor dining room. So suddenly we've got an extra feature, we're adding extra value to this space as well, and we can stand back, look at our property and think, wow, today it's getting even more beautiful.
Whatever you've got to make the very best of it, and I think commandeering an unused area such as this deck has really added so much function and so much serviceability to the property. The good thing about cedar, one of the many good things about Western Red Cedar, is that it ages really naturally, so we won't have to stain that. It'll take on that lovely silvery grey patina, just like the deck down there. And in a couple of months, these fellas are going to merge together to be the same colour as the deck board, so it's all going to be absolutely gorgeous. But I've got to go back to the smell. It is just sensory titillation to the max.
Do you know what? It's very you, this.
What do you mean?
Kind of silvery grey and getting better with age.
Oh, bless you for saying that, Colin. I knew there was a good person in there somewhere. We just had to find it, right? Well, I have to say this project has been nothing short of triumphant. Essentially, an unused area of deck has been turned into a really valuable space. Now, Sean and Nicole had some amazing ideas, and seeing them played out here with real cedar is just absolutely fantastic. So usable, so comfortable, and by Jove, the smell is amazing.
Now, this might be a simple, dramatic, fantastic pergola to anyone else, but to us, we've created an additional room. How much value does that add to a property? So much. How much does it add to the experience? It's immeasurable. Suddenly, we've got a huge dining room, a great sitting room, both with an incredible view to the lake.
I think it's all about serviceability, and now we've got that by the bucket load. I'll tell you what I really love as well, is the connection that now exists between this big pergola and the little pergola that takes you into the main cottage. The wood finish, and all of a sudden, a perfect connection.